Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Continuing our playlist on the Python programming, let's try to explore some more Python programming basics. Okay, so let's get started. So in the previous video, we have seen the basic Python programming. We have seen like how to print and how we can give the input and how we can get the output. Okay, so now what we'll do is like we'll just try to explore something related to the Python basics itself. Okay, suppose in the previous video, like we saw like how we can give the characters, how we can print the characters. So now we'll do something like we'll try to print some kind of characters, some kind of special characters. Okay, suppose if I want to print the dollar and suppose if I want to print any other uh, special characters. Let's take an example of ampersand. And now let's try to run this particular cell and we'll see like what will get the output. So here you can see like whatever the special characters I gave, it is coming it as a output. Okay, suppose if I print in such a way like I will give it as a dollar, and if I want some kind of some number of dollars, suppose if I want the some $25, and suppose if I want ampersand symbol as some 10 times, means like do we get the output in such a way like the dollar will be printed 25 times and the ampersand will be printed 10 times. So let's try to run this particular cell and we'll see. So here you can see a beautiful output like here I have given the dollar symbol and here I have given multiply by 25 times, like so here you can see the 25 times the dollar has been printed and here the 10 times the ampersand symbol has been printed. Okay, so now let's try to do some kind of trial and error method, and suppose if I try to give both dollar and ampersand, and if I want both to be printed some kind of 15 times, means like let's see like how we'll get the output. So here you can see $1 1 ampersand, $1 1 ampersand. So here you can see the 15 sets of the dollar and ampersand. Okay, so this is how you can print the special characters in the Python programming. So if you want specific number of times, suppose if you want the any characters like any special character, suppose if you want the percentage symbol, like if you want it to be printed as more than 100 times, means like it doesn't make sense like 100 times we keep on typing the percentage symbol, like if we just type only once and if we give the number of times we want, suppose if I want more than, if I want some 150 number of times, means I can just give it like this and I can get the output. So let's try to run this particular cell. So here you can see the percentage special characters has been printed 150 number of times. Okay, so this is such a beautiful special feature about this Python programming. Okay, so this is the most basic things which we are trying to explore. So as and when we continue our Python programming, we'll try to go deeper into the Python programming and we'll go into the deeper concepts. Okay, so before getting into the deeper and advanced concepts, it's always better to explore more about the basics about the Python programming, because if you are strong in the basics, then only it will be useful for us to explore more about the advanced concepts. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.